So here we've got the HP Mini, and this one over here with the Runcore logo's got the 1.8-inch Pro 4 PATA ZIF, and the one on the left, it comes with the standard. So we're going to run a crystal benchmark here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see here, the read and write speeds are very impressive. 0.33 on the read versus 15.90. And then on the right here, we have 0.685 and then 12.51. So you're looking at every operation on your computer is going to be markedly quicker. Now, if we quickly go over the packaging, you do get this handy-dandy case for your old drives so you can use it for storage, USB cable to make the magic happen. And thinking of our many different types of computer users here, some of them may need these alternative cables. So it comes with these, special for you. Now, and we all want everyone to know that we are using Runcore in our devices, so you get these Runcore stickers as well. And the pièce de résistance, for me, would have to be these tools. Now, these are not only for installing SSDs, these are for all of your computer modding needs. So feel free to get down and dirty. Nicole for Netbook News here.